I don't know how I've never heard of anybody ever coming to Aragon Bay. You guys, this is the spot. Pineapple? How much? 1,800. Okay? You have change?
Yes.
You have change?
I only 800 rupees, my madam.
Thank you so much.
You are from
I am from the US.
the US.
US.
I'm from Sri Lanka.
You're from Sri Lanka? I guessed you were from Sri Lanka.
Good place.
Yes, very good place. I was just saying this is the best place.
Good place, Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka, good place.
Surfing good.
Yes. How old are you?
70.
17.
Yesterday my birthday.
Yesterday was your birthday. Happy late birthday. Was it actually? Oh, I'll take a taste. Thank you. So fresh. And then we've got him selling peanuts.
Yeah, you good girl.
I'm a good girl. Thank you so much. As I was saying, this place is freaking awesome, and I don't know how more people don't know about it. Like, all of you guys that love Bali would love this little surf town. Literally just a bunch of 20-year-olds hanging out on the beach. Everybody here surfs except for me. It's just a vibe.